I have few points. I have three major points I have written. We can just drop down, like we can dive more inside this main points, but let's know what are the main like heading and main bullets. What are the changes we're gonna do over here? So pack selection. These two things you are saying over here are the pack selection part of a product. So we're gonna change and revamp this particular thing. Okay, this one is slide in, like it's a pop-up or slide in, you can say, over a screen. And this entire page with similar look having the pack selection, also the offer area. So it's a old school design. I feel we have to revamp into a better way, and a better UI representation we can just change into. And this is also not a good area to highlight, so we're gonna solve the UX as well as UI at the same time. Okay, let's go ahead. The few color themes I gonna prefer to use in my new upcoming design, like new design for new screens, new Android screen which I'm gonna create right now. So these are the few sample design. These two to three are brand colors, like representing this particular application, and also few highlighting colors for the offer area. I have whatever the thing I have imagined I'm gonna do over here. So black part for the text and all those things. Okay. finally the design is ready. You can see the difference. Like earlier I have shown you the old design, which is really need to revamp in a better way. So the UI and UX wise I make it a great revamp, I feel that. So maybe we can just make it more better. If you have any further suggestion, any further ideas, do let me know. So this is the big difference. You can see this is the older one, which is looking very shitty, and this is the new one which is looking really great and user friendly. User can easily access all those things. So that was really looking cool. Hope to see you soon, and also do like, comment and subscribe to this YouTube video. And do, if you have any ideas of representing the design or revamping or any ideas, I will do submit your designs to me. I can just work on that and just show you the better version. Okay, that's all for the day. See you soon. Bye bye, signing off.